Hi everyone, welcome to KloneRs. This is Dr. Ramkrishna. In one of our previous videos, we have demonstrated how to perform reverse approach grafting of a mango tree and its advantages. And this is a follow-up video where we are going to show you the results and how to transplant this plant into container and its caring tips. Let's get started. This is a 6 years old mango stem of Nam Dok Mai variety. It's a very famous variety in Thailand. So after performing this technique, once we see the root forming, we need to wait for at least 100 more days to separate the branch from the plant. The basic thumb rule is the more the roots formation, the better will be the survival rate of a plant. Now we are going to transplant this tree into container. So after separating the branch from the mother plant, we have to immediately prune it around 40 to 50% of leaves and branches. That reduces the water stress. So while establishing the new root systems, the new roots are unable to supply all the water requirement for leaves. So without pruning, the top branches eventually dries out. See, now you can see the healthy roots formation. Instead of planting directly into ground, we recommend you to transplant it into container with the minimum volume of 20 to 30 liters. Grow at least for 1 year to form a dense rooting ball inside the container. Then you can go for the soil plantation if you want. You can choose your own soil mix, but it must be lightweight, airy and well drained. So keep the plant in semi-shade for first 3 months, then gradually expose to the sunlight as the plant strengthens. Please make sure that soil must be moist but not waterlogged. Finally, the best time to perform this technique is late spring to early monsoon, because during this period, the plants have the higher cabium activity. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like the content, please subscribe to KloneRs.